Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dual connection and add some second device for the headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open Pixel application. Now go to more settings, click on the multi-point, and right now go to the settings on your second device, Bluetooth, and press and hold a button at the back for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Click on it here. Now, on some devices you should go to the settings and connecting it again by pressing one time on the icon. And here we go. We have 2 devices. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!